do that for you guys, just to show you. There you go. So I took out the LCD. So actually, there was nothing really behind the LCD, but there's definitely gold over here and probably if I pop open the LCD, might be a board of some sort. There might be some no, there's nothing on this one, so that's pretty much it for behind the LCD. You can see there wasn't much there. So what else here? We have some more gold connectors here, over here. So if you go to boardsort.com, they pay you $5.25 for a whole cell phone per pound. This cell phone was about 4 ounces. So without doing any work, just chucking the phone in a box and sending it to them, you'll get about $1.30. Per ounce comes out to about 30 cents an ounce. Now if you take the board apart, the way they want you to do it is take out all this metal stuff, these little wires and everything. They really want clean boards, at least that's what they say. So you have to take all of that out. The process probably takes at least a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, and they pay about $10.50 per pound. One of these boards, there's not much weight to them, maybe 6 ounces. Sorry, 0.4 to 0.6 ounces, which also comes out to about anywhere between 25 cents to 30 cents an ounce, just like giving them a whole cell phone. If you factor in the time it takes to take everything apart, it's kind of not worth it, because you obviously have to pay yourself. Time is money, so pretty much by undoing everything, you're getting no extra value. The only extra value you'll get is if you take the time to take out all the little gold pins and take the board, and you get the gold off the board yourself and do refining and whatnot, because then you're getting the value of the gold in there. So that's the only way it's worth taking a cell phone apart. So that pretty much answers that question. It's a question I've seen many people ask online and even on YouTube. So if you're going to refine gold, take the board out.